This truck have just arrived from China to Nigeria. It was well built by ZW group of companies from China. We were afraid initially to transact with them, but we find out that they were real. The bomber came with it was an iron bomber. The battery has a protector. The chassis was a double barrel. The truck was well made. Lala was the marketer that we have allied with from the WZ company. This is the truck. We are very happy to have it. Thank you, Lala. It is not, your company was real, it was more fraud. We have also transacted with Cindy from WZ company as well. They were both fantastic. So it is real. Thank you so much.